Oh, we're back on dawn again. Glassy. Look how beautiful it is out there. Really calm. Perfect conditions. See what we can get this time. Alright, so we'll go a snell for the big stuff, see if we can get a Mulloway. And then we've got our trusty old drone rig as well to get out. There's a real chance something could be running through here today, mate, and it is going to be late today, so I don't expect anything right now.
Hey, lines are in the water, mate.
That's all that matters. I don't know. Yeah, maybe. Or a mully. Oh, it's Headshake City, bro. It's a mully. Ha! Yes! And there's the bait. Yeah, I think I might chuck him back, eh? Woo! That was awesome. Really awesome to get a first catch. Let's get another bait out, eh? Alright, we'll try again. See if we can get this bloody drone bait out this time. Try and have it so your hooks are pointing outwards. Presentation of the bait is key to get the hook up. Something out of munch on there. Wow. Could this be the day? Yeah, could this be it? I've got to get another squid on. They're loving the squid today. Wow. I've got another bait out. It's nice and overcast at the moment. I'll still be able to get something. Oh, come on. Wind has definitely changed. It's coming. Does it look like a ray? It's just to the left of us. Is that a ray or a shark? Looks like a shark. Could be a Port Jackson. It's a big one. Yeah, I think it's a Port Jackson. Glad your line's not in. Yep, looks like a porty to me. Big one. These bloody waves coming in. Yep, it's a porty. That's a monster porty. Gotta watch out for those spines. Gonna reel a little bit. Yep. Geez, there's no way he was getting off. That is a big Port Jackson shark. Not what we're after, but still great to catch. Jeez, he's a monster, eh? There you go. Oh, look what, yeah. See what he's done for you? Lets himself get wet. All right, so we'll get this bait off. Chuck a new one on. See if that does anything. Maybe, yeah, maybe it's taken. Yeah, I think you're on here, bro. Nah. If it is, it's something small. Wow, that's strange as. Yeah, you're getting some pulses then. Wind swirling around now, heaps. It's gone to a straight easterly again. No. You probably got something small on, but best to just leave it out. Oh, what? Just look out there, out there, out there. Look, 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 just out there. Look.
Oh, yeah.
Something's absolutely carving up. It looks like a shark. Could be a dolphin. Just went bang, 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 about 200 metres out.
Oh, yeah,
look at that.
Oh, that might be a seal.
Might be a seal. Big one.
Yeah, it's got something, it's shaking it.
Yeah. There you go, eh?
There you go. Now we got that on the list too, seal.
Seal. Yeah, the seagull's gone out there to see if there's any tidbits.
And he's still hanging around, look at it.
It's a big bastard for a seal.
He's got something and he's shaking.
He's shaking it.
He's caught something big.
They're all going for a look. Yeah, now he's moving on. That's a big ass seal. What's that?
Clean up crew.
Could be. Looks fantastic out there. They might have taken it.